Golden Health Tips. Amazing benefits of walnut oil. Roghan Akhrot. Hello, and welcome back to Golden Health Tips. Today, we'll talk about a truly precious natural oil that is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healing power. Walnut oil, known as Roghan Akhrot, derived from walnuts. This oil has been valued for centuries in both culinary traditions and natural medicine. It not only boosts physical health, but also supports brain function, heart health, skin, and hair care. Let's dive deep into its incredible benefits for the human body. 1. Boosts heart health. Walnut oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in cardiovascular health. It helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL. Regular consumption improves blood vessel function, reduces the risk of heart attacks, and keeps blood circulation strong. 2. Controls blood pressure. The polyunsaturated fats and antioxidants present in walnut oil naturally regulate blood pressure. Adding walnut oil to your diet may lower hypertension and reduce strain on the heart. 3. Supports brain function. Walnuts are often called brain food, and their oil is no different. Walnut oil contains alpha-linolenic acid and polyphenols, which protect the brain from oxidative stress, boost memory, sharpen focus, and may reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline like Alzheimer's. 4. Strengthens the immune system. Packed with vitamin E, zinc, and antioxidants, walnut oil enhances the body's defense system. It helps fight harmful free radicals, reduces inflammation, and protects the body against infections and chronic diseases. 5. Improves skin health. Walnut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. It penetrates deeply into the skin, providing hydration, softness, and glow. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective against acne, eczema, and dry patches. Regular massage with walnut oil can also reduce wrinkles and fine lines. 6. Natural anti-aging remedy. The powerful antioxidants in walnut oil fight free radicals that cause premature aging. It helps maintain skin elasticity, reduces age spots, and promotes a youthful appearance. Walnut oil also supports collagen production for healthier, firmer skin. 7. Strengthens hair and promotes growth rich in omega-3 fatty acids and proteins. Walnut oil deeply nourishes hair roots, making them stronger and shinier. Regular scalp massage with walnut oil reduces hair fall, prevents dandruff, and stimulates new hair growth. It also helps in repairing damaged hair. 8. Improves sleep quality. Walnut oil contains melatonin, a natural sleep-regulating hormone. Taking a small amount before bedtime or massaging it on the temples can improve sleep patterns, reduce insomnia, and relax the mind. 9. Supports digestive health. A teaspoon of walnut oil on an empty stomach helps improve digestion. It stimulates bowel movements, prevents constipation, and promotes the absorption of essential nutrients from food. 10. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Walnut oil contains compounds that naturally reduce inflammation in the body. It provides relief from arthritis, joint pain, and muscle stiffness. Its soothing effect is beneficial for people suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions. 11. Enhances sexual health. Walnut oil has been traditionally used to boost sexual stamina and fertility. Its rich nutrient profile supports reproductive health, increases energy, and improves blood flow, which contributes to overall vitality. 12. Protects against diabetes. Studies suggest that walnut oil helps regulate blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity. Consuming it regularly may reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and help manage existing cases. 13. Good for weight management. Despite being an oil, walnut oil helps in weight control. Its healthy fats increase satiety, reduce unhealthy cravings, and promote metabolism, which makes it easier to maintain a healthy body weight. 14. Strengthens bones. With high levels of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, walnut oil supports bone strength and density. It is especially beneficial for people with osteoporosis or weak bones. 15. Improves blood circulation. Walnut oil improves the elasticity of blood vessels and enhances circulation throughout the body. Better blood flow ensures more oxygen and nutrients reach every cell. which results in higher energy and vitality. How to use walnut oil. Roghan Akhrot for cooking. Drizzle walnut oil on salads, soups, or cooked dishes. Avoid frying at high heat as it may reduce its nutritional value. For skincare, massage a few drops directly onto your skin for hydration and anti-aging benefits. For hair care, apply warm walnut oil on the scalp and massage gently. Leave it overnight and wash the next day for strong, shiny hair. For sleep, take a teaspoon before bedtime or massage on temples for relaxation. For joint pain, massage walnut oil on affected areas to reduce inflammation and stiffness. Safety tips: always use pure, cold-pressed walnut oil for maximum health benefits. People with nut allergies should avoid it. Consume in moderation, as excessive intake may cause digestive issues. So friends, walnut oil Roghan Akhrot is not just a cooking ingredient, but a complete natural health booster. From protecting the heart, brain, and immune system to nourishing skin, hair, and bones, it truly is a miracle oil. It also helps in managing stress, improving sleep, and supporting digestion. By adding walnut oil to your diet and daily routine, you can unlock the secret of long-lasting health, beauty, and wellness. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of walnut oil, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Golden Health Tips for more natural remedies and wellness secrets. Drop a comment below and tell us how you use Roghan Akhrot in your daily life.